Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your footage and placing it on the timeline. This gets your canvas ready. Once the clip is in, trim to the exact start point so your zoom begins where it should. Make sure keyframe mode is available. You'll use it to control zoom over time. Tap the clip to reveal controls because precise positioning matters. It prevents jitter and keeps focus on your subject. Now you're set to add the first zoom keyframe, which is the next actionable step. You add a first keyframe at your start point to lock the baseline scale and position, and that anchors the shot. Then move the playhead to where the zoom should finish and add a second keyframe with increased scale and adjusted position so the subject stays centered. To avoid abrupt motion, make sure to apply the ease or smooth curve between keyframes. This creates natural acceleration and deceleration. Once done, scrub playback to fine-tune timing and reposition frames if the subject drifts. You're nearly finished. Preview the zoom at full resolution to watch for blur, pixelation, or poor framing. That tells you whether to lower or raise scale. If the shot is shaky, add stabilize before finalizing or tweak keyframes and position to avoid clipping the subject. When satisfied, export using your desired resolution, like 1080p or 4K, and pick a sufficient bitrate so the zoom stays crisp. If artifacts appear, reduce max scale or reframe earlier. That's the key troubleshooting tip to fix overzoomed footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.